Hi guys, hi everyone. Welcome to our online USANA Health and Freedom. So today we will be talking about how can you improve your health and live your lifestyle. Yes, I'll be doing about a 30-minute health and freedom for you guys to learn more about your health and finances and how you can improve your health and finances. Yeah. So I'll just put on my slides. I'll just share my screen quickly. Okay, thanks for your time, guys. First of all, I would like to welcome and thank everyone today, most especially our guests who are here present today with us, learning more about ways on how to improve your health and finances. We really value your time and we know how you guys are really so busy, so we appreciate you sharing a bit of your time with us. That's why I really try my best to share you guys my knowledge and about how USANA can help us improve in those areas in life. Okay, our goal for today's education and understanding. This opportunity may not be for you, but who knows? I was just like you before, sitting right there, listening to the speaker in the presentation. But now I'm talking in front of you, guys, sharing my own story. So I would like to please request everyone to just be open-minded. It may not be for you, but you might learn something out from it. I'm not saying this to brag about it, but I'm saying this that if I can do it, then anyone else can. So just not to be so complete strangers, I would like to introduce a bit of myself. My name is Van. For those who doesn't know me, I used to work in Waikara Hospital for a living, but my fortune is created in USANA, doing it part-time, working it in just a few years. Me and my family were overworked ever since we migrated here in New Zealand just to pay our bills and credits left back home in the Philippines. My mom was always complaining of sore back and painful shoulders due to a heavy workload. Dad works in a very physically demanding job, dairy farming, and yours truly have been working 80 hours a week, which affected my immune system to just pay all the bills. Life was really hard back home in the Philippines, so decided to look for greener pastures. But we need to pay thousands of money, which affected our health. We were overworked, underpaid, and overstressed. One day, as I've decided to buy a phone, I met this guy called Andy, and I was surprised seeing that he works with USANA. I was presented about USANA back in the Philippines, but it was wrong timing as I was moving to a new country. What I love about USANA is that it is the highest rated nutritional supplement. That's why in just a couple of days, me and my parents were able to feel the benefit of the products. I went back to Andy and decided to do the business and become a distributor, and thought of if me and my parents can feel the difference with the products, why not other people? So I decided to make a fortune out from it. But the following day, I rang Andy saying, I think I can't do this anymore. So then he asked me why not. And it's because who can I share it to? I don't know anyone. I just know my parents, my younger brother, and the rest of the cows. Plus, I was living in a remote countryside of Tewamutu, a small town in Waipa region. I told him I didn't have any time at all as I was working 80 hours to pay for migration debts. And so how can I fit this business in my time schedule? I was really that confident too before because English is my second language and I was very new to the country and was still adjusting to the people and the lifestyle. I didn't know how to do it as well because I never had any business experience. I was designed to become a nurse. He told me that even if I thought of all the doubts I got in my mind, and even if I thought of either I can or can't do it, I'm both right anyway. Now, what if I can? He asked. What if I can overcome the challenges and change the way of how I live? Well, it has been the best decision of my life because I was able to help regain our health back. At the same time as what I was able to find a way and how to create another extra stream of income, and now doing it as my career. It's the best decision I've ever made. That's because I don't only help myself or my family, but also have the opportunity to reach out with other many people to get what they want. However, I always tell everyone that doing USANA business is simple, but it's not easy. If it was easy, then everyone should have been successful already. It isn't easy. That's because of the challenges that we need to overcome. So, based on this picture, in just 2 years of being a part of USANA, I was part of the Future Leader, a top earner of 2014 and top earner in 2015 as well. And that's because of my belief in myself. I just believe in myself. Remember, guys, it's either you can or you can't. You're both right anyway. But I thought of I can and I will, so I made it. So, like what I've said, challenges are a part of life, and all we have to do is face them. And here are the two biggest challenges all generations are facing. It's health and finances. My question is, are you as physically healthy as you want to be? Are you as financially wealthy as you want to be? If no is your answer, then you must have a closer look at how USANA can help, and I would suggest that in the next few minutes to pay close attention, because I believe USANA can help you with both. So let's talk about your health first. Are you as healthy as you want to be? Are you and your family getting the nutrition you need? And are you living the life you want, or is there more? If you think the pursuit of good health is expensive and time consuming, try illness. And today's generation, the five leading causes of death today is these degenerative diseases: cardiovascular disease and stroke, cancer, respiratory disease, and diabetes. Over 39%, based on the World Health Organization, are dying every single year. Cancer is next, respiratory disease, and diabetes. Who do you know are suffering from these diseases? Is it your family member, your friend, or even your neighbor? You see someone suffering from these diseases, can you prolong this happening to our community nowadays? But what people don't know is that these diseases are preventable through health education and awareness that would lead us to have proper lifestyle choices and proper food choices, exercise regimen, sleep rest balance, and proper supplementation. And that would decrease the chance of about 60 to 75% from acquiring this disease. Like what I've said, it is a combination of all. Getting the right amounts of water, proper exercise, right amounts of sleep, eating the right kinds of food, having more love and belongingness and less stress, and as well as including the best supplementation in your life. But what really is the cause of the problem? Let's have a closer look. We thought that stress, poor food choices, smoking, pollution are the causes of disease, but not. These are just what you call factors that contribute to the cause. The real cause is called oxidation. It's like an apple turning to brown. The browning process is called oxidation. So like metal turning to rust, the rusting process is called oxidation. Our health begins in a cellular level. So same as our cells. When they get exposed with these factors, our cells gets damaged. Like for example, radiation from phones, laptop, TV, air pollution like air travel, unhealthy diet or GMO food, processed and refined foods, chemicals from skin products, food products, and detergent soaps, alcoholism, a sedentary lifestyle, smoking, stress, and even our sunlight. Our cells gets damaged. When it is damaged, it affects more cells until we get sick. So how can we protect ourselves and prevent ourselves from getting damaged from oxidative stress? So if I squeeze lime or lemon to an apple, it's going to help slow in its browning color. Lime and lemon are considered as fruits and vegetables, so compared to ourselves, antioxidants help protect ourselves from oxidative damage. So where do we find antioxidants? From fruits and vegetables. Okay? Are you getting the right nutrients you need? So pick on vitamin E. This vitamin is considered as one of the most powerful antioxidants. However, we need 400 IU units daily recommended, but to get 400 international units daily from food, we have to eat at least 13 kgs of spinach, and it isn't realistic, and we still have 58 more different vitamins and minerals to be taken in our body. Two biggest challenges why we're not getting the right nutrients, and that's why we need to take supplements. The amount of fruits and veggies we eat. It's in the doctor's recommendation that we must eat at least 9 to 13 servings of fruits and vegetables nowadays, but we can't cope up due to a fast-paced lifestyle and less preparation time. But if we eat the exact amounts, the quality and how it is being made is getting low. Our foods right now are being made from fertilizers, pesticides, and preservatives due to our soil that is becoming depleted of nutrients as well. Where do we buy them from? Supermarkets, right? Are we sure that they are really fresh and green? How long does the food has to travel before it reaches our mouth? So these are the reasons why we are having soil depletion. That's because of overcultivation, because of commercialized farms, soil erosion, and that the world is changing. So this is what's happening in our farms and how they create our food. Would you like to serve this kind of food in your table? You must think. That's why, based on the Journal of American Medical Association, it is a must that every single adult must take a multivitamin due to a lack of nutrients in our daily diet. However, when we go to the supermarket, there will be lots of brands that you even don't know what works. So, based on this picture, according to the Journal of American Medical Association, oh my God.